Hello. So today, for this video assignment, I'm going to be talking about the LinkedIn Learning website and how I would like to use it professionally. So I have two examples of two different topics. One is more professional, teacher-facing, and the other one will be more student-facing. So the first one, as you can see on my screen, we have a link for Google Classroom video learning series. So a little bit about my professional experience. Last year at my school, I was in charge of something called the School Development Committee. Myself and one other teacher, we were in charge of planning professional development PDs that were only teacher facing. And a couple initiatives were more effective than others. For example, when we would go over school norms or school rules, or even examining student work, that was extremely effective. But when we tried to develop or implement new technologies, that was very difficult because every teacher was at a different understanding of various technologies. Some teachers were very well versed in Google Classroom or Google Drive, and some teachers were more experienced with PowerPoint or Prezi, and so it was really hard to get everybody on the same level. So I think LinkedIn Learning provides a great resource for that because teachers and professionals can look at their own time or at their own pace. So you could have the basics as probably in this video, but now if you use your phone a lot, you could look at an app video. And there's some things that are more teacher facing or student facing. And so I really think that LinkedIn Learning is great for meeting professionals where they are at any given topic because you could search anything. Like right now, I've searched Google Classroom. So, you know, tons of different levels come up. And I think it's great for identifying where somebody is falling behind or where somebody is excelling, and nobody would be kind of uh, having a misuse of their time. A lot of times in PDs, especially in the schools that I've experienced in the DOE, is that it's pretty much you only have about 45 minutes and it's all teachers in one room. So it's kind of one size fits all, and let's say 25% of the teachers are already well versed in Google Classroom. They could spend that time watching a video on, synchronizing classes or things that are more advanced that may not be necessary. So that's how I found Google Classroom. I also searched music production. If you watched my last video, talked about a project I did with my students using Ableton, and I actually saw that LinkedIn has tons of things on Ableton. There's also GarageBand, Logic, as it said, GarageBand and Logic, and this could be good for anyone. Students, particularly if they want to kind of get creative. At my school, I run the music club after school, and so I'm definitely going to use this because I could spend a lot of time teaching them, and I love teaching about music. But if they wanted to look this up on their own, so that they could come in and have the knowledge already, so we could already start making music while we're in the club, in the school club, we could do that. And these goes, these videos go into very specific um, processes, just like Google Classroom, where the basic information you have, you could build on it at your own pace. So that's what I found using LinkedIn Learning. Thank you.